Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Remember, Vincenzo's classes are coming soon. Breaking news video prior. For details, check the link in the description down below in the comment section. We had a DENT question. We have more. We have our female Ashley, beautiful subscriber Ashley, along with our fantastic subscriber Jerome that sells the dirty cheeseburgers in the McDonald's. She also is a DENT fan, and she has a question. What would be a stop loss for DENT? Right now for DENT, if I was looking at this, which I am right now, I would say you got your uptrending support, obviously, in a super simple, easy way right here. And we're in the far out time frame. We were in a falling channel. We broke out. Now, what these like to do is come back down and back test. Now, Ashley, what I would do is I would say, I don't know where you entered in the coin. You didn't give me any information, but if you bought somewhere up here or just in general, if this falls down to here, see this big line right here? We'll make this bigger because it's for purposes. This is what matters right now. We're going to make these. We always got to make these off colors. This one goes to this. Hold on, Ashley, 1 second. So you can see we're in this kind of falling, broadening wedge. And by broadening, I mean see how the width up at the top, it's much wider at the bottom. So it's getting bigger, broadening, right? You had upper resistance, upper resistance, upper resistance, breakthrough, right? Lower support, lower support, lower support. So this is a falling, broadening wedge. And those can be reversal patterns. And the targeted move is technically up here at the top of the wedge. But what these like to do is they like to, after they pop out initially, like you had a nice big volume spike right here, and then you had a nice price spike right there. What they like to do is consolidate and then back test. And then if they're going to hold support, then they'll kick off to the next leg of this local bull run in this coin. Now, my stop loss on this would be right here. If it breaks that key underneath support of that old upper resistance in the falling, broadening wedge, I would have my stop loss down here, right? Now, I don't know if you just bought the coin or what you're doing with it. I don't know if you've bought it prior, but just looking at the price action, that would be where I have my stop loss. If it breaks below that, the price is going to fall back into this falling, broadening wedge, and then it's going to eventually could trade all the way down to there, right? It could trade to the bottom of this, way down here, at the 0.002 whatever level, way the fuck, shit house. If you bought it up here, it's the shit house, right? That would be the shit house if you bought the coin up there. So that's what I would be as my stop loss would be this 0.00491, because this could come down here or a little bit below that. And then if it holds support, then it can kick up, right? Like we got. But if it comes down and doesn't, it's coming down and it's going to break down. Oop, let me get rid of this. No. Come on. How many of these little fucking dots do I got? Oh, I got my stupid drawing tool on. Or not my stupid, how dare you call the drawing tool stupid. But what you could do is this, and then you hold it and fail. And then you come down, and then you have a huge crash, right? And you don't want to be involved in that. You want to sidestep, overt, and subvert that, and fleece, heist, and shice the criminal gangsters. So I would have my stop loss below that, right? Below this key up descending support. You see if you hit it here, versus here, it's descending. See, it's 0.04666, conveniently enough. Or if you hit it here, it's 0.04939, right? So it's descending, but I would have it set somewhere a few percent below that line, right? That's what I would do. I'm not a financial advisor. No, nor do I play one on my own radio show. This is strictly education, entertainment, brownie killer only. Like, subscribe. I notice my subscriptions are not going up. Get your fucking shit together, subscribers, after the 20th of October. All fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. I say this again with peace and love. Peace and love.